What up? See you, ladies. So, got the Benz truck. It started with that. Oh. And just that. Then it escalated to a Volvo, 2 excavators, 2 more excavators, truck, another truck, whole bunch of other smaller toys behind me, and now we got this other truck, the Benz Arcos or something, I can't remember. Well, let's check it out.
Yeah.
Another remote control to add to the game. Like I don't have enough remote controls already. It'll be nice when everything is just all running on hydraulics. And then I could just have one remote and just change the model each time. Customs always open up these boxes. Every package I get, they always open them up just to see what's inside. And what do? They put it back in there upside down. So what's got here? What do you got here? Why is there 2? What the hell is going on here? There's 2 trucks in here. Yo, there's 2 trucks in here, man.
Now I can have both.
Holy smokes.
Daddy, you can have one and I can have the other.
We got 2 trucks, boys.
Yeah.
We'll be moving dirt steady. I can't believe this. This is nuts. I'm so excited right now. I thought they only sent me 1, but they sent 2.
Daddy,
Woo!
Daddy, and I'm so happy they sent me 2 too.